Clean an iguana cage. Iguanas are unique pets. They are not the usual fluffy and huggable domesticated critters that you just bring to your home to take care of. That is why they require a different type of care even in keeping their cages clean. Cleaning their cages is important to give them a shelter they can enjoy staying in. Cleaning iguana cages can be tedious, but it is not impossible. Make sure you keep your lizard pet happy and comfortable. Here are some tips in helping you to keep your pet's home spick and span. Tools of the trade. Here are some tools that will help you in cleaning an iguana's cage. Have an extra cage or an inhabitable container with cover to hold your iguana while you clean the cage. Grab some glass cleaner, cage flooring, mulch, paper towels, and some extra newspaper. Switch and bait. It will be very difficult to clean an iguana cage with the iguana still inside. Move your iguana to the extra cage. Keep the cover on if you are using a simple container. Do not just grab your iguana from the top. Iguanas are not kittens. They do not like being handled as such. To get your pet of the cage, stretch out your hands and be creative in persuading the animal out. Once the cage is iguana-free, it is almost time to clean it. All clear. With the iguana out, the cage is almost clear. Remove the things inside the iguana's cage like furniture, toys, and floorings. Get down and dirty. Cleared of all nuances, you can now actually start cleaning. Grab the glass cleaner and spray it all over the glass walls of the terrarium. Use paper towels to wipe off the glass cleaner. For wooden or wire cages, you need to clear out any if not all debris. You can also use the glass cleaner in the soiled areas. Floor it. Now you can replace the flooring with a new one. There is a variety of iguana caging flooring you can use. It ranges from newspaper, mulch, or sand. For sanitary purposes, always throw out used newspapers after cleaning. For mulch, remove it if it is soiled, which is most likely, then put a cleaner mulch. Mulch can be cleaned though for reuse. Always keep in mind to change mulch every 30 days. There are also tougher floorings that can be used. A good example is artificial turf mats. This is easy to clean. It only requires washing and shaking off dirt. Always remember, soiled floorings are a big no-no for iguanas. Furniture out, furniture in. Now that the flooring is set, it is time to return furniture inside the cage. Before returning the drinking dish, be sure to clean it thoroughly. Germs and bacteria inhabit often dirty and damp places. It is ideal to change the drinking water every day. Soiled dishes are also a mortal sin in keeping your iguana's cage clean. Check often and clean as often. Before you consider cage cleaning, replenish the food dish with fresh food. Home, sweet home. Return the iguana home and tuck the little fellow with the heat lamp beaming over the cage. Oh, before you go, clean the cage once to twice every 7 days. Use a sandbox to contain the soiling area. Cedar chips cannot be used as flooring because they release substances that will harm your pet. And be aware if your iguana is angry when you are prying it out of its cage for cleaning. If the iguana flattens itself and tilts to one side, it means it is preparing to attack any and all comers. Back off for the meantime until the iguana has settled. Cleaning iguana cages is not rocket science. Make your pet happy by keeping its shelter clean and cozy.